Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fix can't create account on your Wechat. Here, if you open up Wechat, you can see that I have already logged in into my Wechat account. But if you want to log in or you want to create a new account on Wechat, you just need to download the app from your Google Play Store. And after downloading the app, just open it up having a stable Wi-Fi connection. But when you want to create or sign up into your Wechat account and it is not letting you, just try to off and on your Wi-Fi. And after doing so, again remove it from your recent apps and relaunch it again. Maybe that can fix your problem. Even if it's still not fixing your problem, try reinstalling the app once more, and yet still it is not letting you to create a Wechat account. Maybe it can also be because Wechat might be not enabled in your region. That's why it may not work to create an account as well. So those are some ways to fix your creating account on Wechat problem. Listen for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.